Hindi makita sa camera. Sana ba yun? Sana yung roses. Ayun. Ayan o. Dalawang yan. Laki-laki niyan. Hindi pa nagbubukas. Siguro tomorrow or the next day. Bukas na yan. Kagaya niya nito. The same as this one here. Same as that one. They're so beautiful and so big. Tsaka ang bango-bango. Grabe ang bango. Yan siya oh. Sobra no? Ganda. Bihira lang kayo makakita ng ganito na lily. Yan. Bihira lang yan makita. Ang hirap hanapin yan. Tsaka nabubuhay lang yan sa paso. Kaso hindi ko tinanim sa paso. Mayroon ako sa paso, tapos na sila magbulaklak. Ayan. Ang bango, grabe. Sobrang bango talaga. Naamoy ko dito. Punta dito tayo sa kabila. Ayan, marami kang makikitang lilies dito. Ayan, no? See? Napaka-amazing nitong orange, oh. Super yummy ang itsura, no? This one here too. This is really beautiful. Not that one. This one. Right there. So pretty. Ito yung Asilvia ko. Asilvia. Right here. So these are tiger lilies right here. These are tiger lilies right there. And this one is Asiatic lily. And that one back there is a triumphant lily. Those are triumphantum lily. And this orange one here, they're like trumpet lilies. These are like trumpet lilies. That one. And here's the biggest one right here. These are big lilies right there. Look at this orange one here. They're like orange. Bukas na pala sila. Kailangan ko mag-video bukas para igawa ko ng walk around the garden bulaklak. Kasi nagbukas na sila eh. Oh. Super ganda. Ito, ang ganda rin ito. Oh. Ito yung day lily. This is day lily right here.